In this video, we're going to make Shao Rou. It's pork belly dish inspired by Chinese cuisine. My artwork for the pork belly is onion and agar-agar inside the vase. I'm making onion sculpture from agar-agar for the the inside of the sculpture. I have 4 of them. Aren't they pretty? Then I put all the onions inside a form to make a block. 4 blocks of onions. I use agar-agar to make my edible sculpture. I use a big pot of water. Pour the agar-agar into the pot of water and boil it over the stove over low heat until it's all boiling. Keep stirring the agar-agar so it won't clog down in the bottom of the pot. Now it's boiling and it's clear as it can get. Pour the hot agar little by little over the onion, not too much though. This is what happens when it's too much. It floats, so I have to hold it down with the forks. This is how it looks, the sculpture inside the vase. I'm sorry I forgot to record video the process of it. Now let's take care of the pork belly. Put them into the pot and put some water in it. We're going to blanch the pork belly first. Boil it until you see some foam floating around and turn it off. Take all the foams out of the pot. Throw it away. Then take the pork belly out, pat dry them with paper towel. Then cut up all the half-cooked pork belly into cubes, all of them. Put some oil in the pan and some sugar, like 3 tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to caramelize the sugar. The caramel is forming right now, but I want it dark. Then pour the pork belly into the pan and stir them up real quick. Then pour half cup of Shaoxing rice wine. Some ginger, a couple or three of star anise, bay leaves, lemon leaves, and salt. These are all the spices for it. Then pour half cup of soy sauce, half cup of red wine vinegar, 2 cups of water, and stir it once in a while. Stir it again, turn it around, stir it again, and you can put the lid on. Until it's boiling, open the lid and let it boil and then sap the water down. Then keep on stirring it. Okay, until it's all cooked. You can turn off the stove now. As you can see, the caramel become thick sauce. Then I'm preparing more cut onions and cilantro for plating. Look at how nice the onion sculpture is. Look at that. It's nice. Now I'm making the 3D decoration outside the vase using the cut onion and using also the cilantro. I make some brown rice earlier and mold it into a bowl. Then put down the rice into a plate and start putting the pork belly around the rice. Then garnish the rice with a cut onion and cilantro. Then garnish the onion around it to make look like flowers. Aren't they pretty? It looks like a pretty flowers, huh? Look at how pretty the dinner is. Shao Rou dinner on top of agar onion sculpture. Kai Dong! Bon appetit!